We're gonna start off with some cable pull downs. Today we're doing back, and I'm gonna add in some buys in there too. I like to add in biceps during my back workout because it correlates with each other. All right, so we're doing some pull downs. I love starting my workout with pull downs sometimes just to get the blood flow. We're gonna go max reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 30, 60. Mostly a lot of times those reps to failure kicks in early, so you gotta watch the weight that you're picking. So don't go too heavy. I got 150, probably gonna go up 10, maybe 20 more pounds, and that's it. But yeah, give those a shot. Let me know what you think. All right, round 2. That first set was rough. Going to failure sucks, and the rest time is gonna be limited too, so it's almost like a rest pause. I'm not saying it's the most ideal, but if you want to just switch things up on your routine, give those a shot. Rest pause, limited rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5. All right, so usually that's what's gonna happen when you're doing a rest pause movement in your set. You're not gonna get as many reps as you do on the first set. So don't get mad when you can't get 15 and then 15. You might go from like 15 reps, and all of a sudden you might just hit like 10 or 12 reps, depending on how heavy you go, how fast you recover. All right, so we're gonna do trap bar rows next. All right, so mind yourself when you're doing these. Don't go too heavy, all right? And when you're doing them, it's just like you're doing a barbell row. You're just gonna bend over. Right now, instead of having the bar in front of you, you're having it on the side, and you're just pulling that way. All right, so be mindful of the weight that you're using. I'm only using 95 pounds. I could go up to 135, but I don't know about that on my back. So you gotta be careful with that too. 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. All right, here's another good movement. We're moving on to body weighted rows. Now, if the body weighted rows are too easy for you, some of y'all could use the TRX. We got the jungle gyms. But again, if it's too easy for you, just add on some chains, or you can elevate your feet. Now on this one, you could go to failure too. I'm just gonna knock out 15. Not bad. Not bad. Those were tough, but not bad. Oh. We're gonna do back extensions. Whew. Now I'm not doing hamstrings. The way I'm gonna position myself, I'm not gonna do it stiff leg, because when you do stiff leg RDLs, that's when you hit more hamstrings. But sticking the hips all the way out and the butt out, that's where you target the lower back. So you're gonna make your upper body come all the way forward. So stick it out and then straight up. That's lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, I'm not saying your hamstrings are not going to be activated in some ways during that movement. It will, but it's mainly working the lower back. Whew. 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, don't rush. 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, 10, 11, last one. 12.